Let's see if you can see me. Should be okay now. Okay, good. Okay guys, fantastic. Okay, my friends, let's start. Kala from Mumbai. To North Indian, with the name Kala, Kala means South Indian, you know.
Mumbai.
Kala is a man. Man talking to me. Kala. Kala is a man. Okay, Kala from Mumbai. Thank you, Siva sir, for a great divine work, not only for human beings, but also for nature beings, living and non-living things. My husband followed PVH for the past 5 years, attended more than 360 Facebook Live workshops. I'm feeling that someone has given some food to my husband and doing black magic and block prosperity. Last 15 years, he incurred heavy losses in factory where 100 workers was working. He sold his factory, then he started to factory on rent on the other city. At that he had been cheated by factory owners and done so many false civil and criminal cases. Continue, madam. Next page, madam. But thanks to previous legal matters was sorted out, but have to pay money. Then started mind brain activation job. But now getting enough business even after the performance was very good, even not taking money from poor. Please guide me and needful. Who is this Kala? I know this Kala. It's Mr. Mehta.
So this is his wife who has written the message.
Oh, the wife has written. Okay, Mr. Mehta, get out. Wife, come inside. Let the wife talk. Wife writing on behalf of the husband. Husband no PVH for so many years. I never knew you had so much history, my friend. I know you collapse and like go up and come down. And now using the bowl for mid-brain activation, huh? I a Tibetan bowl, right? You need Tibetan bowl, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this now you have got no more dark energy, nothing. You don't have. You're fine now. Just that sometimes you must understand, sir. You come from a country where the dark energy and the curse is just available next door. To do dark in India, they advertise in papers, madam. Correct or not? They advertise in papers, they put in the street, you want black magic, come to me, I do black magic for you. You know, we are applying to Ayush. Ayush is the Indian alternative medication, alternative medicine group of the Ministry of Health in India. You know, and they are saying that we must change our whole website because we can't use the word black magic. You see, if you use the word black magic, we will not approve you under the clause. And I say there's black magic everywhere. People advertise. How do I remove it now? How do I remove it now? So I'm going to say negative black energy and negative white energy. You can't use the word magic. Use the word magic means you cannot join Ayush. I said, what? You know, everybody's afraid that this guy is going around. We are not doing black magic, we are removing black magic. You understand? It's totally different. Nowhere, anywhere in the class, we do some rituals and all of you sit down, you bring the photograph of this person. We never even ask the address of that person. We do not even ask the age of that person. We ask whether it's married or not married. When we are very old, we ask them the age just to give a figure out what could happen in the physical body, you know, whether there's going to be dementia. I see we ask the age of the person. That's all. We have an idea, you know, whether he's schooling or not schooling, he's working. That's all we ask for the age. Never the address or which hospital, which ward, which bed number. You don't do that. Tantrics need every information. They need a photograph, they need their bed number, they need everything, the father's name, the grandfather's name, the ancestor's name, before they do anything. We don't do that. We don't do that. So Meta, you listen to me. You're fine now. There's no dark energy. You're fine. Okay, you had a lot. Okay, the company you still have a lot of darkness for the company. But since you're no more there, it doesn't disturb you. But again, at the same time, you please ask forgiveness for every person you are involved in a business, especially all the ex-employees and everything. Just do it so that the energy won't come back to you at any one time. It's okay, my friend?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Start doing that. Otherwise, I don't see any issues on you.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, next.
Yeah.
Sir, that's a health problem, sir. Some health problem.
What's the health problem?
Sir, knee pain and sciatica pain and sir. That's the biggest problem, sir.
Did you change your food, my friend?
Yes, sir. 50% I have changed my food, sir.
50% only, so pain come down 50%. Okay, good.
Oh, yes, that I will change, sir. I will change definitely, sir.
You change 100%, pain go 100%. 50%, pain 50%.
Yes,
I put this side.
I'm doing yoga, sir.
Hey, come on, my friend. Don't combine yoga with food. Yoga is just an exercise that makes the blood flow to bring. But if your body is acidic, it's still putting all the acid all over the body. What can yoga do? Let's start with this yoga, mouth yoga. Okay. I know your Indian food, my friend. I know it's so difficult to tempt. It's so difficult to let go, especially in Mumbai. All kind of food everywhere. Samosa, fried, sambar with sugar. Sambar is bad. We put sugar somewhere inside. Udupi, everybody Udupi, you know. So please be careful. Change your food first. Change your food until you totally become better, and then you start a little bit as and when required. You understand, my friend? Let the body manage it. You know, it's like, for example, you eat something sweet and you got very high sugar. Okay? Now don't have lunch, don't have dinner. The sugar will come down. The sugar will come down because your body takes longer time for the insulin to come and do its work. So let it go down. So if you start, you say, no, you just, I must have my dinner. Because you don't feel hungry, but everyone says you must have a dinner before you sleep. You had a dinner. And somebody said, no, you must have a big glass of milk before you sleep. You know? Or somebody said that small children must put boost for them. Put boost. You know your Indian boost, your Cadbury boost, you put a boost. And you put milk, and you put sugar, and you put chocolate. You know? But the poor children out there, there's no boost in the house. They are perfectly fine. If the rich people want to give all the good things for the children, they think they put chocolate, they become very smart. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's just the mind people put on you. You must drink all of these things and healthy drink, you know. You know, in Australia, they've removed the word, the chocolate drink out of their market now because they add milk. It's the milk that give the nutrition, not the chocolate drink. They removed the name, the chocolate drink, as a health drink. You know that, madam? You put milk and you put chocolate drink and you mix together. You make the Cadbury boost, you put a milk, right? Yes, no milk, there's no health drink. People get it wrong. So they're hiding, oh, you put the chocolate, it's not a health drink, it's the milk that's a health drink. Okay? So you're fine, my friend. So you go and change your food. I don't see any problem, just your food.
How many times, sir? Prosperity affirmation to read, sir?
Day. Affirmation for knee pain. Food.
Yeah, how many times?
Food.
Yes, sir. I change, sir.
Hey,
Even
only 50% you change, Bhaiya. Only 50% you change. You keep on changing some more. Please understand. It takes some time before the body can rebuild itself. You must put the calcium. You must put all the phosphorus. You know, calcium and phosphorus. That's what the bone is made of. And all the cartilages must build back again. And you people are all vegetarian. You're a Jain. Worse still. You don't drink, you don't eat anything, carrot, no vitamin A for you. You so many things you don't eat. You're a Jain, right?
Yes, sir.
No garlic. So you must eat. Hey, you know the lion, the tiger? How much he eat? How much, madam?
What, sir?
No, tiger eat one meal only. That's it.
Okay. So you can eat an entire deer at a time also?
No, madam, eat a little bit, madam. Who tell you all the story all? Phew.
Okay.
Eat little bit and it goes away. Then the hyenas will come. You don't keep on eating the whole day, madam. It's all of Asian. They cut the meat, they put a masala, they put the sugar, they put all the salt and put the ketchup and make it look nice, madam. Even when the white men they eat the barbecue, they must put the barbecue sauce to eat, otherwise the meat will be lousy. You must put some salt inside to enjoy the meat, madam. So they put all of this in, they can eat and eat and eat. Understand, madam? But a cow eats the whole day. And you people are all cows. Why are you all cows, madam? You're a vegetarian. Understand? The normal vegetarian eat carrots and all under the ground. You don't eat under the ground, you eat above the ground. So you're even more narrow. So imagine how much of food you must eat to get your calcium. Okay, you drink milk, it's fine, good, you drink milk. Huh? So how much you think you need to eat vitamin C, vitamin A and all? You need a lot of food, madam, compared to somebody else who's eating a meat eating. A meat eating fellow has got enough white in a small things, got the protein and all. So you got to eat a lot of protein. So when you eat too much, like for example, you have been told that you must have to eat dal for protein. So everybody have dal. Morning dal, evening dal, afternoon dal. Okay. And then you put takaraka. You put takaraka. What do you call that?
Yes, sir, kakra.
Kakra. You put kakra some more. So much oil, mustard oil, this oil, that oil. You eat better. So where is it all going to go to? They all become uric acid. They may acidic and start eating your bones. This is the whole trouble. Madam. So please be careful, my friend. So you cannot say that. Huh? Don't change your food, eat the right food, get the calcium, get the phosphorus, stop eating acidic food and slowly build it up and then you can add. Eat green munda.
How many times in a day should they read the prosperity affirmation? That is what he's asking.
Oh, prosperity. Want money every day, eat everything. You do it every day. You want money in the morning, evening, do morning and evening. Lunch one time, I do lunchtime also. Money is good. Lunchtime every day, my friend. So you are fine. So do as much as you can. Your prosperity is fine. It's fine now. So you must. When I say your prosperity is fine, doesn't mean money is going to pour on you. You have to go and make the effort. Understand? Make the effort. Talk to people. Say good things, and something somehow the money will come to you. Somebody you don't understand. Start doing. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Nirmal. Mr. Nirmal.
He is not there. Sir, he is not there.
He's not there. Okay. What is this? 4,000 light years. 299. He's done a whole calculation of light years. Yeah.
This is a long message, man.
Oh my God. Whoa. Graveyard also. He said, wow, what is this, madam? This is a whole class. Love your dance. I heard that. I saw that. Love your dance. Who is this? Pinky Verma.
Namaskar, sir.
Very good, madam. This is April 2021, going to constant cough and cold. Taking homeopathy medicine 2. It is defined, it is identified as bronchitis. Taking all the precautions and I am unable to get rid of this ailment. It's affecting my overall health. Please give us a guide me towards the healthy lifestyle. After PPH, my life has changed and I have started living consciously. Thank you. Madam, how are you healing yourself, madam? With a wand.
Sir, I'm...
Minus a homeopathy.
Yeah, medicine I'm taking from homeopathy, but this ailment...
Madam, what is homeopathy, madam?
Sir, I know this is sweet, that medicine that I get it.
No, what is homeopathy?
I can't define that, sir.
Madam, homeopathy is poison diluted 100 times, 1,000 times, or even 1,000,000 times. Poison diluted 1,000,000 times. Let's say take one drop of cobra venom. You put inside. What happened to you?
It's not.
Come on, madam. I'm just saying you put one drop of cobra venom in your water and you drink. What happened to you?
It will poison.
You will die, madam, in 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
You suffocate and you cannot breathe, your whole lungs get arrested and you die. That's how the animal used to kill other animals to eat it. You can even bite a whole elephant. An elephant can also fall down. That's how powerful the venom is. Now what if I dilute the venom 1,000 times. I put a drop of
We will
water,
die
I
slowly
throw.
then.
Huh?
We will die slowly then.
You will fall sick, madam. You won't die.
Oh.
1,000 times you won't die. You will fall sick. You will have the symptoms. Okay, madam. But during that time, madam, your body wakes up. Your body wakes up. Your body starts reacting. And while that time it happens, it starts curing your other illnesses. Your body wakes up. It's like you're sleeping. You have a daughter?
I have a daughter, I have a son.
I have a husband, madam. How old is your husband?
My husband is 37 years old.
Okay, but let's say he's sleeping in the bed. He's very lazy. No, I'm very lazy. I'm tired. I don't want to get up. Okay, madam, he's saying that, madam. Huh? Okay, madam, for example, huh? Catch a cobra and put in the bed, madam. What will happen to him? Madam, your husband is in the bed and he cannot get up. He's too tired, he's lazy, don't want to get up. No, I don't want to get up, I want to sleep. And you're waking him up, he doesn't want to wake up. Okay, madam? You catch a snake and put in the bed, madam. Cobra.
Then obviously he'll run away.
That is homeopathy, madam. That is homeopathy. Understand, madam?
Okay.
Your body wakes up. Your body
So
wakes
what
up.
should I do, sir? Because I am, every day at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I get sneezing, I start coughing.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the evening and the morning, madam.
Morning, sir, early morning.
Early morning, huh? There's one lady who's not happy with you. That's because of that. The call is coming to you at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, something coming to you. 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, it goes. From 4 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the morning, madam, it goes away because of a lady. A soul is visiting you. That soul is coming because of a lady from your husband's family. Do you understand, madam?
Okay, sir.
Think of a
So
lady
how
from
will-
husband family not happy with you. Think of a lady from your husband family not happy with you.
Mother-in-law.
Huh?
Sir, maybe my mother-in-law. My
Just
sister-
think, madam, I don't want name her because all of the people watching, they might know your mother-in-law, you know. There are 20 people watching, madam, they might know your mother-in-law. They might go tell, hey, the woman calling your name out. Huh? Just think, madam, just think of a lady, I said. Huh? All of you here, please don't mention name, just think of somebody, that's all. Think of a lady, madam.
Sure, sir.
Okay, good. Please page number 7 now.
Sure, sir.
Does she do a lot of puja, madam?
Very less, sir. Just light a lamp.
Not you, la, your mother-in-law, madam.
No, she doesn't. No.
No puja at all?
Very less.
Sometimes 4 o'clock is the Brahma Muhurtam, madam. You might get visitors. Please page number 7 for mother-in-law. Okay, madam, done. What's the temperature around that time in your country, in your city? Any idea?
Yes, sir, I can tell you.
4 o'clock in the morning, madam.
Sir, it could be, it's 25, 28, 28 to between 30. It remains.
No, cannot be 28, madam. Cannot be 28. You're much colder. You're much colder, madam.
In Delhi, I am in Delhi, sir.
Okay, much you should be colder right now. You're already going to September, madam, October.
Yes, sir.
Much more colder, madam.
But yes, humidity is there in the environment, so because of that, it gets a bit warm. But yes, in night, sir, it's getting colder.
Yes, madam. It'll be at least about 22 degrees C, madam.
Yes.
22, madam, and then it goes on towards December, it'll go down to maybe about 5 or 10 or 15 or go down. Understand, madam?
Yes,
It's
sir.
colder in Delhi than Mumbai, madam. By right now, at this month, September, October, you should be at least about 20 degrees C, madam. Or 25,
But
20.
yes, sir. So what should I leave that medicine? Anything that I
No. We never tell you about leaving medicine. You do whatever you like. I'm just saying that the God soul is coming now. The soul will not come. Tell me how you feel tomorrow. If it happens, you heal your nose chakra and your chin chakra and your lower throat chakra. Can you do that? Throat chakra,
definitely.
chin chakra, nose chakra, and the cheek chakra. You heal them first. And don't take ice water.
Yes, sir, that I'm not taking because you advised me earlier as well. So I've left sugar and that maida, all the things I've left it. So even I don't feel eating sugar at all.
Should not eat sugar, madam, as much as you possibly can. Slowly you cut down. If you guys all can cut down sugar 50%, madam, you cannot go out and eat any food that is sugar. You cannot eat. It will be so sweet, unimaginable sweet. You know, it's just like if you reduce the sugar, if it's salt, you won't be able to go out and eat any food, madam. Everything will be so salty, you know. You try and see it. Because the food outside all, madam, they make you put a lot of salt and sugar to make you more addictive to that. Keep on eating, you know. You know what I mean? It's like when you make, you know all these peanuts, the peanut, they fry the peanut. Try eating with salt and try eating without salt. With salt you can keep on eating and eating, madam. Without salt you cannot, you stop after some time.
Right, sir.
You try and see. Even popcorn. You cannot eat popcorn without a sugar or without a salt. You cannot eat that. Have you ever tried eating popcorn with a sugar and salt, madam?
No, sir.
You cannot eat. Madam, you can take 1 glass of milk to drink. Okay? 2 glass drink. But how much ice cream can you eat, madam? It's the sugar and the flavoring that makes you eat.
Yes, sir.
And that ice cream, madam, comes from milk only. But you can't drink so much of milk. Your body says enough in milk. This 1 glass is enough. The body tells you. But when the sugar and the coloring and the smell come, I don't know when to stop. It's very nice. Some more ice cream, some more eating, madam. The kids can drink all the ice cream, madam, but give them milk, they say, no, I don't want milk, it's enough. But ice cream, they can keep on eating, madam. This is how the whole industry has found a way to make people eat more and more, and they make money, madam.
Yes, sir.
Simple as that. Coloring, flavoring, coloring, and all. No, it's all how to make you keep on drinking and drinking. You see, when you go to, today they got chocolate flavored milk, strawberry flavored milk, vanilla flavored milk, If you get plain milk, the children cannot drink. They can't drink the plain milk. They must put some flavoring for the thing and they start eating it. So more and more, madam. Correct or not, madam?
Definitely, sir.
So you must be very, very
Sir,
careful.
I want to say thank you to you because of your this job removal and all. I got the job which I wanted.
Wow, very nice, madam. Very nice. I hope everybody can get a job and get all the money they have, madam. They want. That's what I want to do.
My life has changed drastically.
Very
From
good.
a housewife to a business wife and a woman now.
Very good,
Thank
madam.
you so much.
Keep on doing. And go and help other women around. Go and help other women.
Yes,
madam.
sir.
That's all.
Yes,
That's the
sir,
most.
that I'm doing.
You must share with other women so their life can become better, madam. That's all. Okay, madam? Right. Thank you very
Sure,
much.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just take care of your mother-in-law. That's all. You'll be fine.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Khushi Mehta, Ahmedabad.
Khushi?
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
I'm having bleeding continuously for the past 3 to 4 months. Not having bleeding but spots. But I have to wear pad regularly and Siva sir have healed me also. But 2-3 days give relief, after that again it starts. I heal myself regularly and read affirmation. Thank you. Madam, we still have a cord coming from a Kul Devi temple. Still have. You have Kul Devi temple, we got Kul Devi God, madam. Deity.
ખુશી કુલદેવીના મંદિરમાં જાઓ છો તમે?
नहीं, मैं मंदिर आती हूँ।
पहले गए हैं आप कभी?
नहीं, पहले बहुत छोटी थी तभी।
So they've gone there when she was very small.
No, but do they have something in the house? They pray to something in the house.
घर पे कोई फोटो
Picture of something.
Yes, they have it in the temple that is there at home, sir. Prayer altar, they have a Kuldevi photo.
Yeah? What Kul Devi photo is that?
कौन से कुलदेवी हैं?
आशापुरा माता।
Are you in a laptop or are you in a phone?
फोन सर।
Now let's see the Kul Devi, please. Let's see her.
आपके कुलदेवी का फोटो दिखाइए सर को.
Can I see her?
Yes, sir, my mom with you.
Hmm?
Ask them.
Or she don't want to see me.
Want to go inside the people that
Oh, it's not in your house. It's somewhere outside your house.
No, it is in the house. But since she's getting spotting and everything, so she may not be allowed to go near the pool.
Look, see, now, see, because she got spotting, she cannot go to the pool, Devi, because it's taboo for her to go there. Correct or not? So who will help her? You pray to this God.
They don't have any football at the pool.
No. You pray to this God, and now you ask the God, when you're fine, you please help me, please help me, please help me. Now you are bleeding, and you pray to this God, and now you cannot go to the God and ask for help. This is my question. I don't know why. I mean, I don't understand. Who's going to help you now? Bleeding, you're losing blood for the past 3 to 4 months. There's the cool Devi. Yeah. The one soul standing there beside her. Okay, then, madam, you ask yourself, you ask this question yourself, you got a God that cannot help you. I tell God, pray to Mother Nature, pray to the sun, pray to Mother Earth, they are the ones giving everything, but that you cannot pray. Somebody put something down, they all get excited, and you start praying, and now you cannot even go near because you got a period.
Sir, last time you told us husband said getting the
Madam, that one now different story, now different problem, that's all. Okay, understand, madam? That problem no more. Now new problem coming, what do I do? You start praying to this kind of thing, so I can help you, madam.
डॉक्टर को दिखाया है और they are saying some cyst is there.
What, madam?
Cyst है क्या?
Yes, madam. There are many things you can heal yourself, madam. The cyst will be there, break and bleeding, madam. Okay, now I remove the connection now, madam. So now your body will heal. Your body wants to heal everything, madam. It wants to heal a cyst, it wants to heal everything. So if you want to help your body to heal itself, then you must follow the law of your body. No acidic food, no emotions. Take the wand, heal the chakras. A lot of you got to follow, madam. What do you have for lunch today? What do you have for lunch?
खुशी लंच में क्या खाया है आपने?
रोटी सब्जी खाई है.
सर रोटी है वेजिटेबल.
What vegetables?
कौन सी सब्जी?
Right.
So it's like a bottle gourd.
Her body is so acidic. Tell her her body is so acidic now.
खुशी आपका बॉडी बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिक है सर बोल रहे हैं. तो आपका सिस्ट वगैरह जो भी है सर ने अभी कनेक्शन जो आ रहा था वो काट दिया है, कनेक्शन बंद कर दिया. अभी आपका बॉडी को हील होना जरूरी है, तो आप हीलिंग स्टार्ट कर दीजिए अभी. ओके
Okay.
और एसिडिक फूड नहीं खाइएगा प्लीज. ओके
Roti is white roti or whole wheat roti?
होल व्हीट रोटी सर.
Okay, madam, be careful. Your body is very acidic. Until now, it's still very acidic. Madam, a lot of acidic in the body, so that is not allowing the body to heal itself. So please be careful. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Gayatri Parmar, Gondal, Gujarat. Parmar is a Hindi name. Is she there?
Yes, sir. Farmer is Gujarati name.
Okay. Is she there?
गायत्री.
Gayatri, I'm suffering from allergies. Come on. There's no allergies lah. Cold weather, cold drink. Why take cold drink? What cold drink you take? Coca-Cola? Pepsi? Thumbs up? Ice water? Can't hear you. I can see you smiling only. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself. What cold drink you take?
Okay. Sir, I'm not going in the AC hall, AC shop और मिट्टी के घड़े का पानी होता है ना.
Since when?
I didn't bring.
गायत्री सर पूछे कब से.
Since when?
2 years ago. अभी कोरोना हुआ था मुझे 1 साल से एक साल से पहले. उसके बाद अभी बहुत एलर्जी हो गई है. वेदर चेंज के वजह से भी मुझे अभी भी यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है. यहाँ आइस में साइनस प्रॉब्लम.
Madam, what's your body weight, madam?
बहुत ही ज्यादा है.
Madam, what's your body weight?
76 सर.
You must come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You must come down 11 kilos. Can you do that?
11 किलो घटा हुआ पड़से सर केजी गायत्री. And sir, she had COVID last year, and after that all these problems have started.
Yes,
she
yes.
had to drink water
Yes.
from a normal mud pot.
She's fine now. She's fine now. There's no dark energy, nothing. She must lose 11 kilos, number 1, and start doing bed yoga. Heal the nose chakra, cheek chakra, chin chakra, and lower throat chakra. She must start healing them.
Okay sir.
And no more acidic food. Eat warm food. When she's sleeping, she must wear socks and sleep. Keep her body warm.
Okay.
Okay, madam, but you must lose your body weight now. And your body is also very acidic. Your body is also very acidic.
गायत्री समझा तुम्हें?
हाँ, वो तो मैं समझ जाती हूँ. और भी मुझे एक बात पूछनी है सर से कि मुझे ऐसा मेंटल इश्यू है कि कोई भी रोग बोलता है ना, ये साइनस है या कुछ भी रोग का नाम ऐसे मैं थिंक कर लेती हूँ और वो मेरे सिम्टम्स में आता है और मुझे दवाई लेनी ही पड़ती है और जाता ही नहीं है.
Sir, she's having another issue. Like if anybody names any kind of sickness or illness, she starts getting the symptoms of it and it doesn't go up easily.
Really?
She's telling she has the psychological issue. Probably.
So if you go to the cancer department, she's finished. You get all the cancer from everybody.
गायत्री सर बोल रहे हैं आप कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में जाओगे तो आपका सब जितना भी कैंसर वहाँ पे सब आपको लग जाएगा, ऐसा है?
No, take the wand and say, I'm removing all this thought form. Blaze away and burn away all this thought form. I want to test you. I want to test you. Next time a woman comes with period pain, I want to see whether the period pain go to you or not.
अभी भी मुझे यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. मैं सहन नहीं कर पाती हूँ.
So she's having headache right now on near the crown chakra. Her left side is all hurting her right now. She's not able to.
Now all the gurus, now. Hello, Gayatri. There are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 gurus coming inside.
Oh. Sorry?
90, 95, 96 gurus coming inside now. What do you do?
White magic.
Oh,
96 white magic coming inside now. Right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minutes ago. It's counting. 8 minutes ago. All the cards came inside. What do you do?
I do affirmation read 4 o'clock.
Before all of these things. What do you do? Any group you follow?
पूजा पाठ वगैरह कुछ करते हो, कुछ ऐसी चीज फॉलो करते हो जहाँ से आ रहा है आपको कनेक्शन?
Any spiritual group you following?
किसी भी spiritual group
मैं पहले थी, अभी तो PDH के join के बाद
Madam, don't talk about PDH now, madam. Please. Before PDH, please understand. Before. Just now the lady said, I know Kul Devi, but Kul Devi picture in the house. Then what do we do? Huh? Oh, I don't know Kul Devi. Long time I know Kul Devi. Kul Devi is in the house. What do we do? And bleeding. Like that, madam, you do not understand. You say, I follow PDH, any information. But something is there that you don't want to let go. You cannot let go. Or they won't let you go. You want to go, but they don't let you go. That's what the trouble is. 96 chords coming right now. 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes ago. She's going. I can count 11 minutes now. They ask you, why you talk to that fella? Don't talk to that fella, they're telling you. They don't like you getting help from us. What group you follow? Tell me.
कौन से गुरु थे गायत्री?
नहीं, मैं वो तो मैंने
आप
पहले
इसको फॉलो कर रहे थे, सर पूछ रहे हैं।
सरना
पहले भी जो भी थे नाम बोलिए।
हाँ, मैंने बताया और शिव बाबा और कोई
ओके राजको
और मैं गुरु दत्तात्रेय को पहले से
What Baba?
जन्म हुआ तभी से
सर शिवयोग एंड दत्तात्रेय, गॉड दत्तात्रेय एंड
That's enough, madam. That's enough. We have so many connection. Take page number 7. Read forgiveness to all of them now. Take page number 7. You say to all the spiritual organizations, all the Babas I have followed knowingly or unknowingly in this lifetime. Read now. How's the pain, madam?
गायत्री कैसा पेन है सर पूछ रहे हैं?
अभी यहाँ पे टिंगलिंग हुआ है।
कितना आउट ऑफ 10 कितना कम हो गया आपको? 1 सर 1 रिमेनिंग।
See what happened? How easy? Your soul is not accepting it. Your soul is not accepting it. Understand, man? Gayatri, your soul is not accepting it. Understand? You see, in the affirmation that we give you, there's nothing but you and your guides and God. That's all. My name is not there. My picture is not there. If Indian Baba, his Baba is in the front page, he put his face like that. And the star and the sun will be there. Or they sit behind a whole star, the big sun, that's all they are the children of the sun. Yes or no? It's wrong. They should guide you towards the right path and show you the path, not tell them that you must follow me, otherwise you will not find God. Only with me you can find God. This is all wrong. They shouldn't do that. Understand? You should find their own God. Everybody is a child of God. Everybody can do that. Everybody can learn. It's like Indian government. Indian government give you free school. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can study. Same teacher, same class. Some can do it, some cannot do it. That's all. It doesn't mean he's stupid. He can do something else. Understand? The opportunity is there for everybody. Of course, people with money, they want to go to a private school. Understand? No money, they can learn. They can also become better. If the father can guide them properly, and you got very interested teachers, they can do a good job, and every children can also be smart. Like that, divine is given everybody the opportunity. You can all do it. Understand? Hey, Gayatri, are you listening? Okay, go and see the Baba. I'll come back after tomorrow. Even having the books, the pictures will make connection. Understand, Gayatri?
Okay.
So go back and check what you have in the house. That's all connection. Understand?
Okay.
You may think you let go. They are not going to let you go. They want to make millions and millions and millions followers. And everybody can give 10 rupees. They got how many money they can get. They want more. Come. Don't worry. I will take care of you. They can't even take care of themselves. How are they going to take care of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam?
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Sir, ये एलर्जी के बारे में
It's not allergy. Your body is weak. Make your body stronger towards temperature. Do the Ida Pingala, heal the base chakra, and heal the nose chakra, cheek chakra, chin chakra, throat chakra, and lower. Make it same. And we do get the morning and do. 11 kilos, you come down. You'll be fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Newborn baby also asking question. Who is this newborn baby? Oh, my newborn baby. Oh, newborn baby also coming gym meet, huh? My newborn baby is somewhere since she's born. And doctor said anytime fits, seizure will come. So any solution, he's a boy. Is that what doctor said? What doctor said, madam?
Actually, when he born now, that time he is unwell only, and after almost 10-15 days later, he was shivering a lot. So we went to the doctor. So doctor said he will get a fit anytime.
Oh, because of the temperature. Yes, of course. When temperature is very, very high, they can get fits. Okay?
Yeah.
Madam, is the husband reading affirmation? Madam, husband reading affirmation?
Yes. He read every day.
Where is your husband now?
He is in office right now.
Ask him to call me right now. Can you make a WhatsApp call, group call?
Actually, I can't do because he is in a meeting.
So then, man, come off a meeting, call me. His dark energy affecting your child. That's all. The father's dark energy affecting the child, madam.
Okay.
He must read and sit down and identify. He says, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many people from the work not happy with him. So the child is affected from the day he was born and before he was born also. Okay?
Okay.
So call him and read down and then we help him out. Okay?
Okay.
Understand, madam?
And then I asked about my elder son. He's a 5.5. So he is eating everything, but he's underweight.
Who, madam?
He's only 14 kg only.
Who is that? Who is this now? Another child?
Yeah, another child. He's the elder sister, elder son.
How old is he?
He's a 5.5.
All affect your father's energy, madam. Let the father call me.
Right now I can't do.
Okay, madam. Do it afterwards, lah.
Okay, fine, no problem.
We still have another 1 hour.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, madam. Mahima Kapoor. Hey, this Kapoor, is it a family name?
Surname, sir.
So that means all the Kapoors are family members. Or are they related? All the film star Kapoor family all related?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
It's a common surname.
Common surname. I thought when I see Kapoor, I thought all the Kapoors, all the Rajesh Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Rajesh Kapoor, all these actors, all these names, all Kapoor. Then all the Khans will come, all the Khans. Okay, sir, I am the same person who tried Hoponopono. Where's the lady? Hoponopono lady. Hey, you're Mahima Kapoor. I have tell us what happened. She started reading Hoponopono and she started getting inner world connection.
Yeah.
Everybody don't understand. Everything is connected to some inner world. Please understand. So then it happened. I am so much better than I was before. However, every day in the evening I feel uneasy and there's a sensation of feeling of my head. I try to sense using the wand and there is a dark energy coming from me from soul. I am attending all healing happy life and also play the song on daily basis. However, every evening I get anxiety. I also get strange dreams about you and my family member. Me.
Yes.
How did I come into your dream, madam?
I don't know, sir. I have no idea, but it has happened. Like,
I come as a good man or a bad man?
no, not a good man.
Then he can't be me. Then he cannot be me, man. I'm a good man. Let me something else. Somebody camouflaging coming there like me.
Yeah, probably. Like, these
Wait, madam. Did I rape you?
No, nothing like that.
Because one lady claimed I came and raped her. Yeah. How every evening I get anxiety, I get strange dreams about you and my family, but midnight also I get up. Okay? Madam, there's still something in the house. What do you have in the house?
In the house, I've even given away that book tonight. I mean,
there's still another book, some other book in the house.
Some book in the house, yeah. I mean, I read a lot of books, so there are a lot of books in general, like nothing about Ho'oponopono.
No. Some other books, madam. It doesn't have to be Ho'oponopono book, madam.
Okay, can you all of other books
have
that
to
have
be.
to library?
It can be any other book. What other books you have, madam? Sometimes books can get activated. No.
Right.
Understand?
So, yeah, whole lot of libraries, so probably I have to
What kind of books? Spiritual books or just fiction or just like geography books or maths book or biology book or?
All mixed, mostly the motivational ones. Like I like to read motivational books in the morning. So those things, and then fiction, love stories, comedy, all kind of those books.
Madam, you got no work to do. You got no work to do.
No, sir. I read. I just enjoy. I'm a regional head for South Asia for a UK-based university.
What, madam? You are?
I'm the regional head for South Asia for a UK-based university. But I just read in general. Like when I travel, or before going to sleep, I read.
Madam, there's one book there, Getting Dark Energy Connection, madam.
Okay.
Think of the book, madam.
I'm not sure, so there's so many of them. Probably I'll give away all the ones that I think that are there.
Did you read any book 1, 2, 3 days ago?
No, sir, I did not. From the last I read that Pupurumuna, after that I stopped reading for a while. I don't read now.
But think, there's one book in the house, madam, that's giving connection, inner world connection.
Okay.
Think, madam. Think.
I don't know. I just have no. I think there's so many of them.
You see, madam, let me tell you. When
Yes,
you
sir.
read somebody's book, okay?
Yeah.
What are you reading?
So just normal autobiography.
Author's thought form.
Yeah.
Using his thought form, huh? He's
Yeah.
not writing a history book or even a history book, madam. He's doing his thought form, how he sees the history as. When you write a geography book, it's facts. When a maths book, it's facts. 1 + 1 is 2. I cannot change that. It's a fact book. But all other books, madam, you're reading the thought form of that person.
Yeah.
And sometimes the thought form will be inside you, lingering in your physical body, in your aura. And can affect you emotionally and also mentally, some of these books. So you must be very, very careful what you read. That's why in English people, they'll tell you science fiction, drama in real life. They give you all its names so you know it's a fiction book, you know what I mean now. But sometimes some of these books can get enticed and they can have connection from inner world. Sometimes this author will get thoughts from the inner world, making them write the book the way they want. It's not your thought from sometimes. The connection will come from there.
Right.
Many years back, one lady read an autobiography of somebody, and that lady was there, standing in front of her. She called me up, sir, I can feel the lady beside me, seriously can feel. Sometimes they themselves will come, so you must be very, very careful when you touch certain books. You're touching the inner world connection. Some books will make inner world connection. And I see one book in the house making the inner world connection.
Okay, I think I'll give away most of it because I have a lot of autobiographies and even this autobiography of a yogi and all those. And there are many of those books.
Madam, do a finger arm test whether you pass or not. Do a finger arm test whether you pass or not. You know how to do a finger arm test?
बुद्धिज्म की बुक तो नहीं है आपके पास?
नहीं, बुद्धिज्म की कोई बुक नहीं है.
Who is
But
that?
it's just these autobiographies and things like spleen arm test, but there is nobody around, sir. Like for that I need.
Spleen finger test.
I don't know how to do that.
Make a ring on the left hand.
Okay.
Make a ring. Okay. Take the book. Put it inside here.
Okay.
Left hand, hold the book near the spleen chakra and hold like that. Take the right hand and push open your hand. Take the right hand. No. Put the finger inside like this and pull.
Okay.
Pull. Push.
Push it down.
No,
Downwards,
you have to push like you want to open it. See whether it comes out or not.
Oh, okay. Open the thing. No, not opening.
Where is the book? Hold it in the spleen chakra. No, not you are not spleen chakra is here, madam. You are putting the armpit.
Okay.
Put the spleen chakra is here. You want to hold it such a way like this.
Okay.
Hold it like that.
Okay.
Hold it like that. Right, and then you put the one and you start the pull. See whether it comes out or not. If it's strong, then you can read it.
Okay. This one is okay. I think there are many other. I will test of all the books that I have. Probably, but there are many other.
Yes, like the one that you are holding, madam. Is it all truth in the book? Is it all true?
I don't know, just I see so.
Yeah, you're reading one man's experience.
Yeah.
His story. Is it all true?
I know it's totally twisted.
So a lot of things, madam, must be very careful, madam. It's very good. They don't talk about nature. They talk this man did that man went there, this man went, I went here, I went there. That's a whole story, madam. Nobody's whole life.
So I'll give away most of my books. I've stopped reading for a while. Like I'm not reading right now.
Think of all your books, madam. Think of all your books.
Okay.
Okay, madam, done. Okay, done.
Thank you, sir. And one more thing, sir. My nephew is just 2 years old. For last 6 days, he's got fever. And he's not eating it. Even when we give the force medicine, he just throws it out.
His father must be forgiveness, madam. Anything from the father affecting him.
Okay. All right. I'll ask
The
you.
boy's father must read and then sit on the blessing today. Some dark energy for the boy because of the father. Okay? Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Really.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Patel Kushbu Surat. Are you there?
Yes.
I have psoriasis. Can I cure it? It's about 10 to 12 years of illness. How bad is it, madam? All over the body or certain part of the body?
खुशबू सर पूछ रहे हैं कितना खराब है, आपके पूरे बॉडी पे है या किसी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पे है?
ना मेरे कोई बॉडी में नहीं है, सिर्फ हेयर में भी है, हेयर में है.
ओके सर, इट्स ओनली द हेड एरिया.
What food are you eating? What are you? What race are you?
सर गुजराती.
Yeah, what race? Okay, sorry. What religion? Sorry.
Hindu.
I just want to know her diet. Is she a vegan or is she a vegetarian? Jain vegetarian or vegan vegetarian? You know?
Vegetarian.
Yeah. What kind of vegetarian? Jain?
रोटली,
No,
दाल,
sir, she's not Jain, sir.
गुजराती.
Madam, you must change your diet. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% of the diet must change in order for you to get healed of this. Okay?
खुशबू समझा તમે?
हाँ, डाइट चेंज काम कैसे?
हाँ, 90% डाइट चेंज करवाना तुमने.
Okay?
हाँ, तो
Then do 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 liver flush.
3 વાર liver flush કરવાનું છે.
3. And then do bowel enema 2 times a day. Bowel enema, make sure all comes out.
બાવલ એનીમાં 2 વાર કરવાનું છે દિવસમાં.
No acidic food, no pickles, no curd, no raita. All that cannot, madam. Milk is fine. Go on as much as possible raw diet.
Okay.
You can heal
Yes, sir.
yourself. Definitely can heal.
Okay. And sir, anything that she has to heal in particular?
Liver. Liver is very toxic.
ઓકે. તમારું લીવર એકદમ ટોક્સિક છે. તમારું ફૂડ ડાયટ ચેન્જ કરો. સરે કીધું છે કે જે બી ખટાસ વાળી ચીજો છે, જે ત્યાં દહીં છે, બધું છે, દૂધ પી શકો છો, દહીં રાઈતો એવું બધું નથી ખાવાનું. તમારું ડાયટ ચેન્જ કરશો તો ડેફિનેટલી તમને ફરક આવી જશે એમાં.
લીંબુ भी नहीं खाई सके.
ના, લીંબુ તો સર એમે નાચ પાડતો છે ખટાસ વાળું. અથાણું બી ના પાડી છે હમણાં સર.
Does she eat a lot of nimbu?
લેમન સર, શી ઇઝ આસ્કિંગ અબાઉટ લેમન.
Does she eat a lot of lemon? Does she eat a lot of lemon? Does she
તમે
eat?
બહુ બધું લીંબુ ખાવ છો સર પૂછે છે.
બહુ નહીં એટલે અડધું એક દિવસનું હોય આપણે શાકમાં જે રીતે નાખીએ એ રીતે.
So she eats half a lemon a day
Why?
in the vegetable and all for flavor.
Huh?
For flavor in the vegetables.
Lemon flavor.
Yes sir.
Then how is he going to become better?
બને તો બંધ કરી નાખો સર કે છે લીંબુ ખાશો તો ફરક નહીં પડે તમને હેલ્થમાં. અને લીવર તમારું એકદમ ટોક્સિક છે એને હીલ કરો.
ઓકે.
Okay, madam, you must stop it. Huh? Your liver is very, very sad, very, very bad. Okay? So, lot of liver healing, front liver, side liver, back liver, gallbladder. That's it. Must do 1, 2, 3 liver flush every 2 weeks. 2, 3 liver flush. Okay, throw away all the things first. Then when you start becoming better. Okay.
ઓકે. બે અઠવાડિયામાં એક લીવર ફ્લશ કરો, ડેલી એન્ડ બાઉલ એનીમાં કરો અને તમારું લીવર સાફ થશે તો પોતમેળે પછી બોડી તમે લીવરને હીલ કરી શકો. ફ્રન્ટ, બેક, સાઇડ લીવર, ગોલ બ્લેડર એ બધું હીલિંગ કરજો. ઓકે.
I would like a new home. Whose home is this now? Whose home is this? Your own home?
હમણાં કોના ઘરે રહ્યો છો સર પૂછે છે.
અત્યારે મારા ઘરમાં રહી છે, સાસુ સસરા સાથે રહે છે, પણ મારું પર્સનલ હોમ લેવું છે.
So she's taking her in-laws. She wants to take her separate home.
Will they allow her to do that?
સર પૂછે છે એલાઉ કરશે તમારા in-laws તમને?
હા.
Yes sir.
So his husband, you say husband is not, does not get enough, get salary. Like, where is your husband working and why is he not getting salary regularly?
સર પૂછે તમારા હસબન્ડની કેમ સેલરી નથી મળતી રેગ્યુલરલી?
રેગ્યુલર છે ને એને જોબમાંથી સેલરી નથી આપતા. 3 મહિના આપે, ક્યારેક 5 મહિના આપે, ક્યારેક 8 મહિના આપે, એવી રીતે સાથે આપે છે.
So they are not giving on a monthly basis. Sometimes they give in 5 months or 8 months. They give it to them.
Whoa!
પ્રાઇવેટ જોબ કરે.
It's a private job, sir.
That's not good, huh?
Yes, sir. No monthly salary.
So, but he works every month. He goes to work every
Yes,
month.
sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
he should find another job if he can. He can get another job. But in the 5th month, they pay him all one shot?
Yeah. Or everything together.
Wow.
5 months, 8 months, like that.
Then 5 months you got a lot of money. Then
Yes,
it
sir.
slowly comes down. A lot of money comes down. That's a good way of doing work also, huh? Not bad also.
But then how do you bifurcate your expenses, sir?
So he has to manage it. Manage it, you know. Put the money a little bit there, spend. I don't understand. So ask him for another job, do Divine 5, we've got a lot of blocks. Is he the only one getting the same thing, or the whole company people are being treated like that?
Everyone, sir. Everyone.
So that's how the company works, I think. Huh? So ask him for another job. If he can manage it, go for another job. How many years is going on like this? How many years?
કેટલા વર્ષથી કરે છે ખુશ્બુ અહીંયા જોબ?
1.5 વર્ષ સુધી થશે.
1.5 years, sir.
Before that was fine.
Sorry, sir?
Before that was fine? Before the job? Before that?
એની પહેલા શું કરતા હતા?
જોબ જ કરતા હતા, પણ વડોદરા કરતા હતા. અમે સુરતમાં છે અત્યારે.
Okay, he was doing at a different place. Earlier he was doing it at Baroda, and now they are staying in Surat.
Never mind, ask him to stay along and then see, get another job, ask him to go. Ask him to go only when you get a job, not before that.
Before that. Okay. ખુશ્બુ સરે કીધું એમને બીજી જોબનું ટ્રાય કરે, અગર બીજી જોબ મળી જાય પછી જ આ જોબ છોડે.
બરાબર.
હા, અને એમને બ્લોગ્સ ઘણા છે તો ડિવાઇન ફાયર ને એફર્મેશન્સ વાંચે.
ઓકે. થેન્ક યુ.
થેન્ક યુ.
Okay, Lalima Aneja Dam. First, accept my thanks. I do affirmation and sit on the blessing almost daily with you, sir. I've been having hypothyroidism, sciatica, lot of pain in feet, hands too, severe osteoporosis, severe insomnia issues. No one knows why they are increasing over the past 2-3 years. Have been taking Ayurveda medicine for last 2-3 years, but effects stop when I stop them. I don't understand. What do you mean effects stop when I stop them? Is he there?
Yes, sir, she was there. I just saw her.
What does it mean? Effects stop when I stop the medicine?
I meant that when I use the medicines, so long as I use them, I take them, I'm fine. But when I stop them, my pain, everything comes back. That's what I was trying to say.
So is this Ayurveda medicine is like a painkiller, madam?
No, there are a lot of medicines for all these problems. A combination for not necessarily painkiller, but for feet, for hands, for insomnia.
But they're not curing you. They're not curing you. Are they curing you?
No, they're not. I've changed also doctors, but they're not curing me totally. I realize that even though I've had them for 3 months regularly, when I have them, I'm fine. Then there was a lockdown. When I stopped them, again, everything came back.
Did anybody ask you to change your diet, madam?
A little bit, yes.
No, did any one of these guys say change your diet?
Not, but yeah, to some extent. I mean, having a healthy diet, good diet, yeah.
What's a healthy diet, madam?
Yeah.
What's a healthy diet?
Healthy diet, in our context, would be no junk food, no maida, not much of salt, not much of sugar, not fried.
Okay.
No, I have not moved to raw food, but I try to take care of these things.
Madam, your body is very toxic, okay? And there's one lady not happy with you, madam.
Yeah.
There's one lady not happy with you at all.
Who is she?
Are you married, madam?
Yes, very much, sir.
Coming from your husband's side, one lady, madam.
Yes, and I think that's the problem. We are in the same building. Ever since we came to this particular building,
Yes, madam.
4 years ago, I started deteriorating.
Yes, madam. All because of the one lady only, madam. Think of it.
One is my husband's brother's wife and one is my mother-in-law. One of them.
Your mother-in-law, madam.
Ah,
Mother-in-law. Okay?
okay.
It's like coming to you like almost every second, every minute.
Yes, yes.
She's living with them, not living with you.
We are not, I'm in the same building. The brother is on the other floor. We are on one floor. And
Why
she's
you
living-
Indian guys do like to do this? Stay together, up brother, down brother, then keep on fighting and never talk to each other. I've seen many families like this, no madam. Brother top stairs, down stairs. What I mean now?
Sir, you don't know. My children protested so much against this to my husband, but my husband is totally in control.
Exactly, madam. When they come, even every family I've seen, there's some issue going on, madam. If sisters, not too bad. Brothers, there is a problem, madam.
Yeah.
If two sisters, they don't bother too much, The man go to work, come back. When the brothers are there, the daughter-in-law, the mother, wow, these people, especially when the mother-in-law is staying there, and say, why don't you stay this son? Why must stay this son? We are the one paying all this money to you and this and that. All kind of issues happen, madam. So now it's the mother-in-law, madam. I see a lot of energy. And again, madam, why they upset? Why you downstairs? Why not they upset? You downstairs, madam? Why this way? Who choose that? Who choose who be on top? Who be on the bottom, madam?
We all got to. This was a collective decision. My husband wanted the second floor, and they are on the ground floor.
So, madam, a lot of negative energy. Can you and your husband both need forgiveness, madam?
Husband is a doctor, doesn't believe in all this. Whatever you tell me to do, I will do, sir.
Madam, but does he know that he's not helping the wife, or he's not helping the wife, isn't he?
Sorry?
See, now, my new daughter-in-law has sinus headache and vertigo. Can your husband solve the problem, madam?
No. In fact, even her problem is little undiagnosed, just like my swelling in the feet is undiagnosed, similar form. So I was wondering what's wrong in our house.
Madam, I ask a question, madam. Simple thing, madam. Daughter-in-law was sinus. Can your husband heal her sinus, madam? Vertigo.
No.
Today, if you go back on YouTube, I just shared one vertigo lady, madam. She was so bad. She vomited in the whole bed, and she couldn't get up. And she called me, and I picked up the call, by luck. And she said she cannot even get up from the bed, madam. Why? It's vomit all over the place. And then after healing her, madam, all she had was a cord coming from her own sister. Remove the cord, the vertigo went off. And then after that, the night before that, she had dosa, masala dosa. And the dosa was giving her all the acidic problem. After healing, she walked up and she went to work.
Wow.
And I'm here and she's don't know where she is. Which part of the world? You see, can your husband do that, madam? Without even prescribing a medication?
No.
Exactly, madam. So how much of medication you take a day, madam? Tell me the truth.
Me?
Yes.
I'm taking 25 tablets a day.
25 tablets a day, madam. That is 1 month. 1 day 25. 1 month how much, madam? 2 days 50.
5,000 rupees.
No. It's not about the money. I said number of pills you're taking. 25 pills a day. Okay, madam?
Yes.
2 days will be 50. 50 times 15, madam. You know how much is that? 725. Okay? That is 1 month. A year? 2 years? 3 years? How much of pills you have, madam? That is the size of your body, madam. Where they go? They go to all the blood, they go to your liver, they go to your kidneys, and those all are not helping you from getting up, madam, because you got lots of dark energy coming from your mother-in-law. That's it.
I thought as much.
She has cursed you, madam. She's cursed you many times. That's all the problem, madam. Tell your wonderful doctor husband, this is all, your mother is cursing me. That's all curse. Nothing to do with whatever you know.
So, how do we solve this?
You have read forgiveness to your mother-in-law every day, madam. It's not whether you sit down with the blessings or not. This is coming dynamically. You must go to page number 7. Read forgiveness to her every day, at least 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day, whether you like it or morning, afternoon, evening, and before you sleep. You must read forgiveness. And the worst part, madam, you are right, she's right on top of you.
No, she's on the ground floor, we are on the
second floor. On the top floor. So can you imagine how much energy will come up with that easily, madam? And some old people are very unforgiving, madam. They never forgive you until they die.
Yeah, she's been, I don't want to give details, but from the very beginning, it's been...
Madam, start from the day you got married, madam. Start from the day you got married. So, madam, you have to read forgiveness. Tell your husband to also read, madam, to help you out in this situation, madam. If you can do all of these things, madam, your pain will go out in 1, 2, 3, 4 months. In 4 months, all be gone.
So, frankly speaking, husband won't. Whatever you ask me to do, I
don't keep on saying that he won't. Say he will. He will. Don't keep on saying, he won't, he won't. My husband will do it. For my sake and my daughter-in-law's sake and my children's sake, he will give forgiveness. Start doing, madam.
Okay, let me try.
Don't say you try. First of all, you start doing divine fire for your husband. My husband being a divine fire, my husband is a purity God, is that. Start doing that.
Alright, sure. Sure.
And what is it? I have stubborn health issues. My daughter has upset in this mess and left the country and stay in Australia and does not want to come home and stay in this building. Wow. You see, madam, how much it's affected everybody, madam?
It is. It has affected everybody. Yes.
Next one, madam. Next one. I want her to come back and settle here as I am the only child. Feel very bad and sad. She has gone so far. Is there anything wrong happening somewhere? It's all about the energy, madam. Of all one lady, madam. That's all, your mother. Please, who is Suman? Who is Suman?
My mother. That's my mother.
And she's living with you?
Yes, yes.
Wow, so your mother is living with you, which is
for the last 3 months only, sir.
Madam?
She's been living with me only for the last 3 months. Before that, she was staying alone in her own house.
No, I understand. What I'm trying to say is, the Indian culture, the mother should stay in the boy's house. It's nothing wrong. You must take care of your mother. I'm just in the culture. Can you imagine how others will be very angry? You know, wow, why she's living? She must go to the boy's house. You know, this is another big problem. This is another big problem.
You are right. You are right.
She stays same house as me, so now they'll all be jealous. Oh, your mother is staying here. You're taking care. Oh, my son's money is all going to your mother. You know how people talk like madam.
Yes, you're 100% correct. That happens. It has happened from day one. You're 100%.
Exactly, madam. I'm telling you. I can think the way Indians think, madam. Oh, you should go to. Have you got a brother?
He?
You.
Me? No, I have no. I'm the only child. I have no brothers.
So it's just fair that your mother comes stay with you. So it's just fair, isn't it? Everyone should understand that, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes.
And she has 7 rounds of antibiotic. Oh, she's very weak and can hardly walk now, losing bladder control, diabetic. Madam, your mother has got lots of emotion, lots and lots of emotions. Ask your mother, I am affirmation, that is affirmation, I am light, do divine fire, read forgiveness to all the people who are not happy with me. Page number 7, page number 1, page number 7, to whomever was not happy with me in this lifetime. Just read that. Ask her, just read. Or just show it to her.
Just now?
No, every day. She must also read like you are reading, madam.
Alright, I'll do that. I have been showing to her that she can't read. She's very weak. We just got back from the nursing home about 4 or 5 days ago. I wrote this message to you when we had not gone to the nursing home at that time.
Her soul wants to go, madam. Her soul wants to go.
Oh, so what should we do? It's very difficult to see her suffer.
Yes, madam. Her soul wants to go. Ask her to do the divine fire. Do divine fire for my mother. My mother being a divine fire, my mother is a purity girl. Just start doing that, okay? It's good that she goes, madam. She'll be fine.
Yeah. Would you bless her, please?
Okay, madam. Think of her.
You want me to take the wand?
Think of her, madam. Just think of her.
Yes.
Okay, madam, done. Let's see what happens. Think of my mother-in-law.
Yes, sir. Thinking.
Yes, between all of us, madam. I think better your mother-in-law go first, madam.
Sorry?
Yes, between both of us, better for your mother-in-law go first, madam.
Well.
There'll be a lot of peace and harmony in everybody's home, madam.
I know it's been from day one. We've had a lot of
yes,
turbulence.
Yes, yes.
And my husband can't see a thing. My husband can't see a thing negative about her.
Yes, madam. Yes. Okay, madam. Done. Let's see what divine plans for their souls, madam. Okay.
So will my daughter come back? I want her because she doesn't want to come in. She's run away from here.
Do divine fire for her. Do divine fire for her and read forgiveness. Take the wand and show in front. My daughter is being a divine fire. My daughter is a purity goddess. Okay.
Okay. I hope she comes back. Is there any curse on my sleep that I don't get sleep?
No, madam. It's just a dark energy coming from your mother-in-law. That's all. Disturbing you.
All right.
That's all.
That's all right. All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for all your kindness. Thank you.
Guluma Chakrabarti. Are you here, madam?
Okay.
Are you from Kolkata?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you from Kolkata, madam?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for saving the people and me from various negative issues. My gratitude to you. Wish to know why my husband Sambo was so cross with me after 30 years of marriage, bearing a new month after the marriage. What is it? What? A few months after his marriage was angry with you. Is that correct, madam? Your husband was
Yes, sir.
After a few months of your marriage, he was not happy with you. Correct? Are you that, madam?
Yes, sir.
Only good things that happened to me is the
Yes,
only
sir,
son,
yes, sir.
who is now a fine gentleman and privileged follower. Also wish to know how to sell a house at Sonarpur without getting duped by so-called brokers or buyers. Sir, you always help and save me from trouble. I follow spiritual hygiene and strictly. Madam, forget about husband. You have after PVI, I've shed 7 kilos and that balance emotion. Okay, madam. Madam, do not worry about the husband. You got no karma with him. The only good thing he has done for you, give you a good son, madam. Just say thank you very much. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Are you
And
listening?
about my house at Sonarpur?
Think of the house, madam.
Sir, about my house.
Think of the house, madam.
Land and house.
Think of the house, please.
Right, sir.
Okay, madam, done. Don't worry about the husband. You have no karma bad with him.
Sir,
Just
one-
take your son.
Right, sir. And just one more thing, sir. Today is my son's birthday. Please bill him, sir.
Okay, madam, think of him now. Think of his son. Okay, done, madam. Done.
His name is Shankar, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, madam. You're welcome. You're welcome. You lost 7 kilos, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam, take care. Sanjay, are you here, brother Sanjay?
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sanjay, but a girl's voice. Why?
Sanjay is my son, sir.
Oh, your son is in America. You're all from America right now?
Yes, sir.
What's the time there now, madam?
Morning 8:30, sir.
8:30, huh? My son has autism and I'm doing healing for him over 1 year. He's got gut issue too and throws up a lot of food, giving him only homemade food with lots of fruits and veggies, no wheat, no dairy, lots of ancestral food. What is a lot of ancestral food?
Like black rice, no white rice, sir. Millets, black rice, those old ancient rice kind of food, sir.
Oh, those you call ancestors rice, huh? Oh, oh, all ancestors food,
Yes,
huh?
sir.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
But then you watch TV or when ancestors got no TV, madam. Watch TV, go in the car.
YouTube, sir.
Affirmation every day and healing most of the day. Which else can I do for me? Madam, where is the father, madam? The boy is still getting caught because of the father, madam.
Sir, father is not cooperating. What can I do to heal him, sir? I'm begging him to read affirmation.
Madam?
His parents are also not honoring him, sir.
Madam, take the son, keep him. I'm going back to India. Finish. Either you follow or you keep that fellow. I am going. I have got no karma. Your karma with the son. You take care. I'm going back. If I go, if I'm lucky, I get married again. I have a better child. Go. Finish. Tell him. Start. Go, madam.
Too much. I'm working with him so much, sir. The PVX is extensively I'm doing
Madam,
for him.
I think I've told
No,
you.
nothing.
I think you have contacted me before. I told the same thing. Your husband must read.
Yes, sir. He's not reading, sir. What can I do, sir? Please help me, sir. How can I make him read, sir?
Madam,
do something, please, sir.
Madam, were you pregnant?
Yes, sir. I have a baby, sir.
Your mother called me when you went to hospital. Who will take care
Yes,
of
sir.
me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I remember the
Yes,
story.
sir.
You are pregnant
Yes,
and
sir.
your mother was so worried she cannot go there, she can't take care of you, it was COVID time How delivery?
Yes, sir.
And you
Yes,
said,
sir. Yes, sir.
Now I remember. Yes. Madam, take the son. You give it to him. You keep him. This boy, I will take care. You take him back to India. Finish. Problem solved. Sometimes
Okay,
you must
sir.
be, sometimes must be a little bit hard, madam. Madam, this boy has to come up with the father.
Okay. Okay.
They're both together from past life, madam. So much of dark energy coming to the boy because of the father, madam. That's why he's struggling so much.
Okay. Okay.
Understand? Huh?
I wish I could record this and show it to him, sir.
No, it's recorded. Don't worry. We'll put on YouTube. Show it to him.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes,
It'll
sir.
be there. It'll be there. Recorded. We'll put it today. And then tomorrow morning
Yes,
you go YouTube, Gmail in India. You just come and tell him that is what happened. Madam, you got no karma with this soul. The father and the boy got karma. You can walk away and there's nothing wrong with you, madam. But because you're a mother, you must do your duty as a mother. But how much can you do when it's not your fault? The other person must cooperate to help you. That's all. What can you do?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
tell him that, okay? Now, I
Yes,
can't even heal, madam. It's against the law to heal this boy because they got the father must sit down and read. What's so difficult reading forgiveness, madam? What's so difficult reading forgiveness, madam? I just want to know. What's so difficult?
Well, he's not reading. My in-laws are also not allowing him, sir.
Why?
They are like, what is this? What is this?
What is
He
what?
prayed.
What is what? Pray what? Pray what, madam? Which Baba?
Exactly, sir. How can I convince them? I don't know, sir. It's I'm bleeding literally,
Simple.
but I don't know
Take
how
your
to
grandson,
convince them.
take your son, I'm walking away. Finish, madam. 1 month you walk away, they come after you. Finish. Sometimes you must
Because, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you please do something, sir? I'll make sure I make him read, or I'll give him no food, sir.
Madam, it's
Please,
not
sir.
about the food, madam. Lots of block coming to the child because of the father, madam. All his past life connection. It's not
Okay.
about his work or this is karma, madam. It's karma. Karma. Please understand, madam.
Okay.
Okay? Show the video to him
Okay.
and then later we talk, madam. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
madam.
any other healing I can do for his stomach, sir?
Madam, the cords must
for,
go. The cords must go first, madam.
Okay.
The cords must go
Okay, sir.
first, and then the connection. All the connection come in solar plexus, madam. All chakra blocks, so the boy cannot eat. There is no medical treatment for this, madam. Don't waste your money and time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Nothing to do with you,
Okay.
huh? Only your husband and the boy. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Kirtana Mohan Ashwin, Tirupur. Are you here, madam? Kirtana Mohan.
சார் இது திருப்பூர் கீர்த்தனா சார் நீங்க வீட்டுக்கு போயிருக்கீங்கல்ல
இது பொண்ணு பேசுறேன்.
the same பேசிட்டீங்களா சார்
Yeah, I talked to him and put his back. He's fine now. The boy is fine. Fine, madam. Hema, are you here, Hema? Madam Hema, are you here? Hey, Tamil Nadu, எல்லாம் தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? இல்ல மசாலா போட்டுருக்கீங்களா வீட்டுல? மசாலா சேர்த்து போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? Veena Verman, Uttar Pradesh, suffering of Mage syndrome.
Ma'am, unmute yourself. Rima, ask them to unmute.
Yes, madam. Special nervous problem, lost voice, cannot open eyes on its own, cannot chew, only on liquid diet, last 4 days, tongue is black at the center. What's going on, madam? Who is this? PK Verma. Who? Wife,
Yes, sir.
wife problem, husband problem now. Wife problem, husband problem.
Because she is not able to speak. She has lost her voice.
How old is she, sir?
67.
No dark energy, only physical problems, sir, to do with the brain.
Yes, sir. Last time also you told like that.
How are you healing her, sir? First of all, the body must change. Her body is still very acidic. Must stop all acidic food. No kadhi, no raita.
Sir, she is taking only seasonal foods, dalia. and upma, nothing acidic, because she cannot chew also.
What does she eat? All things eat. What does she eat with them? What she put in it?
Just this क्या कहते हैं cauliflower. This I can't tell you in English. I will tell you. Gajar, shimla mirch,
carrots, capsicum.
And this one lauki,
bottle
broccoli, torin, those things.
But there's still one food that's not good for her. I don't know. One food is not good for her. Something there is not good for her.
But sir, she is only taking dalia. Dalia.
What is dalia?
That is whole wheat, sir.
Whole wheat.
Yeah, but it is not crushed, sir. It is half crushed.
Okay, but
Half
something.
crushed and boiled.
Yeah, it's okay. There's something there. Still, there's something there. Something.
टमाटर वगैरह खाते हैं
ज्यादा नहीं खाते. I think उसमें दलिये में पांच पेस्ट, एक टमाटर, दो टमाटर डाल देते हैं. That's all.
So when they make the khichdi of the whole wheat, they put 1 to 2 tomatoes in it.
Is it sour?
And that I am also eating.
Rima, it could be semolina also.
Semolina, ma'am, that is rava, right? No, this what dalia they are saying is made of whole wheat.
Dalia is porridge. Dalia is porridge. Yeah.
Okay.
Do they take some?
Semolina only for upma.
No. Do you take semolina?
आप रवा खाते हो?
Rava only for upma we are using.
Yes, sir, they are using it.
Yeah, it's white flour. No, upma is white flour.
Yes.
Stop this white
But
flour.
very occasionally. Very occasionally. Not.
No, it's okay, sir. Stop the white flour. Now start hitting the back head chakra, jaw minor chakras, Ajna chakra and crown chakra. Okay, do it 1, 2, 3 times a day. Do bed yoga. All the chakras every 2 or 3 hours. Heal the Ajna, crown, back head chakra and the jaw minor chakra. Let the blood flow to the head. And ask her to do balanced breathing.
Okay.
Yes, sir, she is doing. Last time also, many times you have told.
Yes,
she
sir.
is doing regularly.
Yes.
And bad yoga also she.
So the problem is that for some unknown reason she has aged more than what she should age.
Yes, sir.
That means she's like, how old is she? 67?
Another problem I want to tell you, sir. Within the last 3-4 months, 3-4 times she is having some bhuchal type in her head. We cannot say it is only giddiness. एकदम भूचाल की तरह आता है. She is crying loudly.
So she's getting something like a typhoon in her head.
Crown chakra.
Yes, sir. All of a sudden it comes and then she is not able to manage herself.
How many gurus she has?
जोर से चिल्लाती है.
How many
सर
gurus?
पूछ रहे कितने गुरु को फॉलो किया है पास्ट में उन्होंने?
हाँ, पास्ट में तो किया है. अभी नहीं करती जब पे.
नहीं वो ठीक है लेकिन पास्ट में कितने?
भैया.
3 गुरु थे.
भैया.
3 गुरु थे.
Bhaiya, you said past guru. Okay, now no guru. Okay. Any guru picture in the house?
No sir. किसकी है? हाँ, उनका बुक पड़ा हुआ है. वैसे पिक्चर नहीं है. हाल पे कहीं पिक्चर नहीं है. बुक्स पड़ा हुआ है.
How many books? I see many books.
नहीं. 5-6 मंत्रा की बुक है. लेकिन वो is not actually going through that.
No, that's okay. The energy of the books is always there at home, sir.
You
Sir,
think of
they
the
are
books.
telling it's 5-6 books. Sir, बोल रहे बुक्स के बारे में सोचिए please. Sir, उसकी
There
energy निकाल रहे हैं.
are 7 books in the house that's giving all of this energy.
7 बुक में से उनको एनर्जी आ रही है. सोचिए वो बुक्स के बारे में प्लीज.
आप बारे में सोचो.
Think of the books. Take the book in one side and don't recite any mantras from this book. Put it some corner, that's all. Don't give it away. If you want, you can do whatever you want, but don't look at it. Ask your wife not to look at it, sir. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir. Otherwise also she is not going through there.
Sometimes the connection will come, sir. They don't go, but the connection will come. Like wake you up. Hey, come on, it's time to read the mantra. Wake up, wake up, wake up. The energy of the books will come and make you do that, sir. Please understand. Have you not seen Harry Potter movies, sir? All the books can talk.
No, we have not seen.
It's real. It's real. The connection will come. Whatever they show is real. Sometimes the books can talk. They will come to you and talk to you and go back again. It's all connection. Okay, sir? So start healing now. There's no more connection now in the house. Let's see. Okay?
She's doing regularly, but she's not improving at all.
Sir, I told you, sir, your wife is aging more than what she's supposed to age. Understand?
Yes, sir.
67, but age should be 87, that's all. She's aged more than what she's supposed to age. Understand, sir?
Yeah, she looks more than her age.
Exactly. Understand? So something is wrong with the whole diet over the long time, not now. She should be 87 years old right now, not 67. Okay, sir?
In her childhood days, she has not eaten well.
Yes, so I'm telling you, she's aged more, like she's going down. So you have something you have to accept. Do whatever you can. Understand, sir? Do whatever you can to help her. Okay, sir?
Yeah, but we're suffering for the last 5-6 years.
I understand, sir. Hey, yo, I understand. Please do whatever you can. Okay? Tell her that she's aging more than what she should age.
सर बोल रहे उनकी जो उम्र होनी चाहिए उससे ज्यादा वो उनका एजिंग हो रहा है बिकॉज जो आप बोले उन्होंने बचपन में खाना ठीक से नहीं खाया है तो अभी सर ने बोला वो सब हीलिंग करिए ओके
हाँ जी
थैंक यू
ओके थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच
அண்ணா வணக்கம் அண்ணா நான் தமிழ்நாட்டுல இருந்து ஹேமா பேசுறேன் நான் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களை பாக்குறது
எங்க பாக்குறீங்க
நான் நம்பர் 13 ஹேமா நம்பர் 13 சார் அப்ப என்னால அன்மியூட் பண்ண முடியல
அப்படியா
எனக்கு ஆமா சார்
என்ன போட்டுருக்கு rheumatoid arthritis fibromyalgia and dryness syndrome for the past 12 to 20 years. I have frozen wrists in both hands, frozen ankle in right hand. Hand fingers have already started curving. What do you call this? What do you call this, madam?
Structural deformity, sir.
Ada banga, arthritis, so much structural deformity. Allah, boss,
arthritis, sir.
Adu uttu bitte.
சார் நான் 12 வருஷமா அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் சாப்பிடுறது இல்ல சார் 3 நாள் பட்னில இருந்து பாத்திருக்கேன் நிறைய டயட்லாம் நிறைய பேர் ஜூஸ் மட்டும் குடிச்சிட்டு எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நாள் இருந்திருக்கேன் 42 கிலோ இருக்கேன் சார் 168 சென்டிமீட்டர் 42 கிலோ தான் இருக்கேன் ரொம்ப வீக்கா தான் இருக்கேன் டயட் எல்லாம் நிறைய ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டே தான் சார் இருக்கேன் Next.
Sir.
Shut.
Hello,
sir. Madam, sir.
Shut. I got married 20 years, lost my husband within 11 months. Shut. Hey, phone and put it. Got married, 11 months, husband died. Got married at 35 again. By God's grace, my husband is very supportive, even though I'm unable to do any homework at home now. Okay, honestly. Only have I talked to you before, madam?
No sir, நான் இப்ப 1 month தான் சார் ஆகுது கோர்ஸ் பண்ணி கிளாஸ் பண்ணி 1 month தான் ஆகுது.
இப்பதான் வந்திருக்கீங்களா?
டெய்லி படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஓகே.
ஆமா சார், டெய்லி அஃபர்மேஷன் படிக்கிறேன். ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குங்க சார்.
Sorry. Okay, I had a previous before 1 month and following every day strictly. I felt good changes in my energy level and praying for past 15 days. But again, I started suffering. Madam, munuk bonga. Madam. I want to take care of myself and I be at home and I do good to the society. Please heal me, please. God given me. Madam, let me tell you. Now, okay, when you got married, madam, there's a curse when you got married to this man. Curse from the man's family.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Now, this man you got married, was it love marriage or matchmaking?
It's kind of love marriage, sir.
First one, okay? Was there a caste difference or religion difference?
Caste difference was there, sir.
How much different?
different cats.
Cat and dog,
Sir,
duck and chicken.
இல்லைங்க சார், அவங்க தேவாங்க செட்டியார், நாங்க வெள்ளாம் செட்டியார், ரெண்டு பேரும் வெவ்வேறு செட்டியார். பட் செட்டியார் தான் சார்.
அதான் கேட்டேன் மேடம், நான் தான் கேட்டேன். குரங்கம் பூனியா நாயம் பூனியா அதான் கேட்டேன். எந்த பூனை எந்த நாய் தான் கேட்டேன். அவ்வளவுதான். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு?
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
ஆனா ஒரே செட்டியாரு. என்ன செட்டியார் மேடம் சொல்லுங்க?
அவங்க தேவாங்க செட்டியார், வெள்ளாம் செட்டியார்.
தேவாங்க செட்டியாரா? என்ன மேடம்?
ஆமா சார், தேவாங்க.
அப்ப நீங்க?
எஸ்,
நீங்க
வெள்ளாம் செட்டியார். வெள்ளாம் செட்டியார். வெள்ளாம்
என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? மூக்கு கோணிட்டு இருக்குமா, காது கோணிட்டு இருக்குமா?
எல்லாருக்கும் வாயால தான் சார் சாப்பிடுவோம்.
ஆமா மேடம், அதானே. எனக்கு காது இப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி காதை பார்த்து சொல்லுவாங்களோ? என்ன மேடம்? என்ன மேடம்? மேடம், your problem started the day you got married, madam. Understand?
Okay, sir.
A lot of people from the husband family were not accepting this marriage, madam. They cursed you so badly. The curse is still on.
Okay, sir. ஆனா எல்லாம் ஒத்துக்கிட்டு தான் திருமணம் பண்ணி வச்சாங்க சார்.
கிளிச்சாங்க. Page 7 எடுக்கலாம். Page 7 எடுங்க. Page 7 now. Page 7, madam. The curse must go first.
Okay.
Take page number 7.
Okay.
படிக்கும் போது go to page number 7, the bracket to all my first husband's family.
Hello, sir. வணக்கம் sir.
படிங்க மேடம்.
படிக்கிறேன். சார் படிச்சாச்சுங்க சார். சார் படிச்சிட்டேங்க சார்.
சரி, இருங்க அவசரப்படாது. ஓகே மேடம், உங்க கர்ஸ்லாம் போச்சு இப்ப. சரியா? இனிமே ஹீல் பண்ண ஆரம்பிங்க. ஓரா கிளென்சிங் இதப்பீங்களா? சாப்பாடுலாம் பார்த்துக்கீங்க. இது சாப்பாடு காரணம் எல்லாம் கர்ஸ் மேடம். கர்ஸ். உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் இறந்ததே கர்ஸ் தான்.
இதுல இருந்தா செகண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்டாங்க சார்.
உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் இறந்ததே கர்ஸ்னால தான் மேடம்.
ஓகே சார்.
சரியா? இப்ப எல்லாம் போச்சு இப்ப. சரி, நான் எத்தனை செட்டியார் இருக்காங்க?
தெரியல சார் எனக்கு. அது ஏகப்பட்ட செட்டியார் இருக்கிறாங்க. நமக்கு அந்த விவரம்லாம் அவ்வளவு தெரியல.
அவ்வளவு ரெண்டு எனக்கு தெரியும். நாட்டுக்கோட்டை செட்டியார் தெரியும். நாட்டுக்கோட்டை செட்டியாரு.
ஆமா சார்.
வேற எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க மேடம்?
வேற தேவாங்கர் செட்டியார் தெரியும், எங்க கணவருக்கு. அப்புறம் என்னது வெள்ளாம் செட்டியார். வேற செட்டியார் எனக்கும் தெரியலங்க. நான் நிறைய இருக்கிறாங்க சார். அதான் நிறைய பேர் வச்சு விட்டு எல்லாம் சுத்திட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க.
ஏன் மேடம் இதெல்லாம்? சரி, அடுத்த பேர் எல்லாம் போய் ஆப்பிரிக்கால பறக்க போறாங்க. தெரியுது இதெல்லாம்.
சார் எனக்கு இன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் சார்.
Sir, now you start healing, madam. Now you start healing yourself. Okay, do it regularly and you'll be fine. There's no more thing. Your body is always start to heal right now. Okay, so you heal பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டு. Okay, sir. அப்புறம் எங்களுக்கு அந்த மேடம் கேளுங்க. There's one lady who's an ambassador for rheumatoid arthritis. அவங்க அழகா பண்ணாங்க. She's perfectly okay today, madam. அவங்க கூட பேசுங்க. தமிழ்ல கூட தான் மலேசியால இருப்பாங்க. கையெல்லாம் மடங்கி போடுவாங்க. கையில மடங்கி போயிடும் அவங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே சார்.
நல்லா பெர்ஃபெக்ட் இருக்கு. கதவு திறக்க முடியாது மேடம் அவங்களால. மில்ல போட்ட திறக்க முடியாது. மில்ல திறக்க முடியாது. அந்த அவ்வளவு மோசமா இருக்கும் கையில வந்து. She's fine now.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. அவங்க பேர் சார்?
அங்க போய் பாருங்க சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். சார் என்னோட கணவருக்கு வந்து நைட்ல ரொம்ப நேரம் தூக்கம் வர மாட்டேங்குது. 1 மணி 2 மணி வரைக்கும் முழிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. வீட்டுல எங்க மாமியாருக்கு தூக்கம் வர மாட்டேங்குதுங்கறாங்க.
இப்ப பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் ஓரா கிளென்சிங் கேப்பிங் பண்ணி போங்க. அந்த வயிறு ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க. ஆசிட் இந்த நைட்ல போயிட்டு இந்த பரோட்டா, இந்த சாம்பார், இந்த குருமா எல்லாம் சாப்பிடாம இருக்க முடியுமா?
கண்டிப்பாங்க சார். நான் அதெல்லாம் எதுவும் சாப்பிடுறது சார். கஞ்சி, ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அப்படிதான் சார், வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் அப்படிதான் சாப்பிட்டுருக்கேன் சார்.
கஞ்சி என்ன மேடம்? கஞ்சி மேடம் என்ன மேடம்? சோறு தானே
சார்? எனக்கு வந்து ஆமா சார்.
அப்புறம்
எனக்கு
சாப்பாடு ஃப்ரூட் கூட முடியாது. ஃப்ரூட்ல வந்து சுகர்.
ஓகே சார்.
சாப்பிட்ட கிரேப்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப புளிக்கும். ஆப்பிள்லாம் வந்து சுகர்லாம் போயிட்டு யூரிக் ஆசிட் இன்னும் வேஸ்ட் ஆகும். புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம் மேடம்?
ஓகே சார்.
பார்த்து சாப்பிடுங்க. சும்மா இந்த நல்ல கீரை வகை, அவரைக்காய் இதெல்லாம் போனாக்க நல்ல ஃபைபர் மாதிரி வரும். லிவர் ஃபாய்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க, அனிமா பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு 2 உங்களுக்கு 3 அனிமா பண்ண மேடம்.
ஒரு நாளைக்கு சார்
3 வாட்டி பண்ண உங்களுக்கு 3 அனிமாஸ். உங்களுக்கு 3 அனிமாஸ் மார்னிங், ஆஃப்டர்நூன், ஈவினிங்.
ஓகே சார். சக்கராஸ்லாம் எது சேஞ்ச் பண்ணனும் சார்?
அதான் செய்யுங்க. பேட் யோகா பண்ணா எல்லாம் தெரியும். பேட் யோகா பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிரும் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா?
ஓகே சார். சரி சார்.
ஓகே மேடம். பை.
நன்றி சார்.
Sri Banda Giri. Where is Sri Banda Giri? This one looks more like a Andhra Pradesh name, correct? Mr. Giri, where is Giri?
Sir, unmute பண்ணுங்க sir. Giri, please unmute yourself, sir.
Mr. Giri, I can see you, Mr. Giri. Giri Maharaj, please unmute yourself. Are you using a phone or using a laptop, sir? Laptop. So go follow. There's a small phone there, like a phone, like a flower. Click on the flower. Click பண்ணுங்க sir. Click பண்ணுங்க.
Ma'am, I'll guide him. You can take the next one.
Chitra, Madam Chitra.
Hello, one time, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Madam, wait பண்ணுங்க.
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
பேசுங்க சார், சத்தமா பேசுங்க சார்.
Mr. Giri, Sri Banda Giri. ஒரே பந்தாவா இருக்கீங்க? Okay, I can hear you. Talk. What's the problem? 21 years of migraine problem. It's a shame to have 21 years of migraine problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Previously once before exam, now it's every month once. I'm reading affirmation and healing. Still migraine does not go. I believe only Shiva Sir can heal me. Will give me some time to heal me. Where's the migraine pain? Left side, right side, on the head here, bottom head?
Sir, it starts on the left side.
You got a pain right now? Got a pain right now?
Sir, last 2 days
Sir.
it has reduced.
You got a pain right now?
Sir, last 2 days it has reduced.
Do you have a pain right now?
Little bit.
Okay.
Little bit.
Take the wand now. Take the wand. Put it in front. The healing wand. How can you go purple color wand?
Yeah, purple color, sir.
Who gave you purple color wand?
Sir, you had come to Pune that time. You needed.
Then you must know how to heal yourself, sir. You have a big 2 days class there.
Sir, that time you healed and it had gone. Then I went to Odisha. My brother had GBS in the hospital, and I went same night. I got again terrible migraine, and then it continued after that. Even whatever I heal, I read affirmation. It doesn't help.
And how many years was that? How many years was that?
Sir, during pandemic last year, sir.
Okay.
2020.
So take the wand, the healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required.
Become as powerful as required.
To him a left jaw minor chakra.
To heal my left jaw minor chakra.
Okay, rotate. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. New rules. Healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required.
Become as powerful as
To
required.
heal and condition
To heal and condition.
my left jaw minor chakra.
my left jaw minor chakra.
I am also forgetting. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing, sir. Keep on doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing. It's a physical problem, sir. Not any cord. You have no cord, so it's just a physical problem. Okay?
Sir, previously when it came to Pune, you said I had cord. But then I regularly did the affirmation. Maybe
No, you're fine, sir. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. How's the pain now?
Sir, it has reduced, sir.
Okay, so something wrong with the jaw minor chakra. So next time, whenever you got pain on either one side, heal the jaw minor chakra on that side. Okay, sir?
Okay. And sir, when I have migraine, in the middle of the night, I will get up after 2-3 hours of sleep, then I don't get sleep properly.
Never mind. So next time, before you go to sleep, do Ida Pingala, do balance breathing for 2 minutes and then go to sleep. Make it a practice every day. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Just do balance breathing, Ida Pingala, do balance breathing for 2 minutes and then go to sleep. Then you see, you won't have any problem. Okay? If you can, every day, do balance breathing 2 minutes 4 times a day. Morning, afternoon, evening, before you go to sleep. You'll be fine. No more migraine problem. Okay?
Sir, can I ask you one more thing? Sir,
Yes.
I work in an office, and then office I used to rent it out and I used to get rent.
Okay.
During pandemic time, the lifestyle, now the people come to rent it, but their head office in Bombay, somehow it doesn't get approved. Around 6-7 people have come like that, but it's not getting approved.
There's a lot of dark energy in your place. Think of the place now. Think of your place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing I just want to ask you. My boss is a big man in Dubai. His only son is not getting married. And he listens to me a lot.
Who your boss?
Yes, sir.
His
His
son?
only son. And he has huge business loss. So his son is not getting married. So he's very worried.
There's a lot of black magic in the family. A lot of black magic in the family, sir. Let them all do divine fire first and see the blessings.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I sometime connect him to you?
Try and see, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, when will you come to Pune next?
I can't even go to my another state in my country, sir. We all locked down. How to come to Pune? Huh? Your country want visa, you want this, you want that. How to come? Huh? Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Chitra from Coimbatore. Last question because we have no time now. It's 10 o'clock.
Sir, we have totally 20 questions.
Madam, we have no time, madam.
Okay, sir. Chitra, madam. Hello, madam. Good evening, sir.
My son was getting more involved in PVH, started to read affirmation, but now my husband took us back to our own home and he started to behave the same way how he was before 2 years. Always intention, speaking to someone, to himself, not all that listen to him. Only with the help of a teacher who comes to home, we are able to control him nowadays, sir. But this is not permanent. My husband also started to take our son to temples, which we have told him not good for the soul. My husband behaves very abnormally nowadays, more than my son, the only one who creates trouble. Please, sir. Madam, can you leave your husband, madam?
Yes, sir.
Can you leave your husband?
Sir, அவருக்கு இந்த பீரியட் பத்தி நல்லா தெரியும் வந்திருக்காரு சார்.
Madam, can you leave your husband and go out yourself?
கண்டிப்பா போக முடியும் சார். சூழ்நிலை மட்டும்தான் அவர் இல்லாம தான் நான் டெவலப்மெண்ட் எனக்கே தெரியுது சார்.
போங்க மேடம், கிளம்புங்க.
நான் இப்போ பொண்ணு வீட்ல தான் வந்திருக்கேன் சார். இன்னைக்கு கூட பேச முடியாது அப்படிங்கிறதுனால.
ஏன் ஊருக்கு கேப்ப? இந்த மாதிரி அழுதே எல்லாம் கெட்டு போயிட்டீங்களா?
எனக்கு உண்மையே கிடையாது சார்.
கூட்டு போக வேண்டானே?
அப்படியே விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டா ரொம்ப
அப்படியே போய் அமெரிக்கா போங்க. ஒரு பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட் வந்துருவான். நல்லா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. சரியா போச்சு.
பையன் சார் அவ்வளவு நல்லா
பையன் போடு. இதேதான் மேடம். இதுதான் வாழ்க்கை பூரா பையனாட்டி புருஷன், பையனாட்டி புருஷன் ரெண்டை வச்சுக்கிட்டா உட்காந்துட்டு போயிருந்தேன். அழுது வருதான் வாழ்க்கை பூரா. மேடம் உங்க ப்ராப்ளமே உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் தான் மேடம், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
வேற யாரும் ப்ராப்ளம்?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
நம்ம எல்லாம் செஞ்சாச்சு, இவ்வளவு காசு அழிச்சிருக்கீங்க. இந்த உங்க மகன் எவ்வளவு காசு நல்லது நடந்துச்சா? பேசுறது பார்த்தா நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அவருக்கு அது புரியுமா? அது புரியணுமா புரியக்கூடாது அவருக்கு?
அவருக்கு புரியணும் சார். எவ்வளவு நல்லது நடந்திருக்குங்கிறது, பையன் இவ்வளவு மாறி வந்திருக்கான் அது எல்லாமே தெரியுதுங்க சார். ஆனா எதுவுமே தெரியாத மாதிரி பழையபடிக்கே போறாருங்க சார்.
என்ன பண்ண முடியும் சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க கிளம்புங்க.
இப்ப ரொம்ப அநியாயப்பட்டாரு சார், பைத்தியக்கார மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஏதோ சாமியார் கிட்ட வேற போயிட்டு பணத்தை ரொம்ப தொலைக்கிறாருங்க சார். கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப்ல நல்ல ஜாபுங்க சார், நல்ல பணம், பென்ஷன் பணமும் நல்லா வந்தது. இப்ப பென்ஷன் பணம் வந்துட்டு இருக்குங்க சார், பிஎஃப் பணமும் நல்லா வந்தது. ஒரு நல்லபடியா எல்லாருக்கும் செலவு பண்ணா ரொம்ப நிம்மதியா இருக்குங்க சார். புகழ் போதைக்கு மயங்கி உண்மையிலுமே அவர் இப்ப பண்ற வேலையெல்லாம் பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமா இருக்குங்க சார். பையன் அப்படியே மாத்தி கூட்டு போறாரு சார், கோயிலுக்குள்ள கூட்டிட்டு போறாரு, நேட்டிவ் பிளேஸ் கூட்டிட்டு போவாரு. என்ன பண்றதே தெரியலங்க சார். ஸ்ரீநிதி மேடம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்ததுல இருந்து தாங்க சார் இந்த 2 வருஷமா நாங்க அவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கோங்க சார்.
அது என்ன பண்றது?
ரொம்பவே முடியலங்க சார். என்ன பண்றது? நான் பேசவே வாயை திறக்க கூடாதுங்க சார். 2 பேரும் என்ன வரட்டுறாங்க சார். இப்ப நான் போய் வீட்டுல இருந்தேன்னா பையன் நல்ல அஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா படிச்சு நல்லா வராங்க சார். ஆனா அவனும் என்ன வரட்டுறாங்க சார். அவனுக்கு அவங்க அப்பா தான் சார் தேவை. இவன் வந்து ஒரு நார்மலா இருக்கான்னு சொல்லி எல்லாருமே அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு நார்மலா வந்துட்டாங்க சார். இன்னும் மேல கொண்டு வந்துடலாம்னு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை எனக்கு இருக்குங்க சார். எல்லாத்தையும் தோற்பிக்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காருங்க சார்.
மேடம் நீங்க எனக்கு சொல்லி ஒன்னும் புரியல. அவங்கதான் பாஸ், வீட்டுல அவதான் பாஸ். ஒண்ணு நீங்க பாஸ்க்கு 2 அரை விட்டு போடான்னு சொல்லி திறமை இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு. அந்த திறமை இல்ல.
வாயே திறக்க முடியாம என்ன மிரட்டி அவர் அடிமை மாதிரி வச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஆமா மேடம். ஒண்ணு நீங்க கிளம்பிருங்க சந்தோஷமா போங்க. போயிட்டு மகன் இருங்க, சரியா போச்சு, வீட்டுல ஆக்கிட்டு எல்லாம் நல்லா இருங்க மேடம். அவ்வளவுதான், நீங்க ஒன்றும் செய்ய முடியாதுங்க. அவங்களா மாறி வந்தாதான் மேடம். அதே மாதிரி நீங்க ஒன்னும் செய்ய முடியாது மேடம். புரியுதுங்களா?
சரிங்க சார்.
சரி, அதெல்லாம் கவலைப்படாதீங்க மேடம். மூவ் பண்ணுங்க, மேல போங்க, நினைச்சிட்டு போங்க மேல.
சரி
மேடம்.
சரிங்க சார்.
பாய்
சார். ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார்.
சார் அவ்வளவுதானுங்களா சார்? இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கலாங்களா சார்?
என்ன கதை
இது?
கோரியா என்ன பேர் ஒரு மாதிரியா இருக்கு?
கோரி அருண் பிரகாஷ்.
கோரி ஒரு கேப் விட கோரி ஒரே வர இருக்கு. கோரி கேப். Yes, with the Kori. What's going on? Where are you from? Mumbai. I opened up a brain tumor last year in May. My tumor was partially removed by my neurosurgeon. Suggested chance of paralysis. Right now, I'm undergoing homeopathy and physiotherapy since January 2021. I took my latest MRI in June. Again, where 20% of my balanced tumor is melted. My homeopathy doctor suggests to continue with the medicine with patience, as per the homeopathy. Homeopathy will cure for all of these things, sir.
Hello, sir.
Doctor says tumor has taken time to arise, so I will take time to complete the healing also. So I have 2 things to melt and heal my balanced tumor, to regain my health and having imbalance in walking due to balance in my left hand side and right hand side. Yes, sir, when they remove certain part of the brain must rejuvenate. It cannot, then you will affect the part of the brain, part of the body, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Okay, my friend, Mr. Kori, let me tell you, 100, 200, 300, 400% is your karma in this lifetime.
Sorry, sir?
400% of what you're going through is karma in this past life.
Okay, sir.
So karma. Okay, sir? So read forgiveness for whatever wrong you've done. Can you do some kind of charity work, pour water for the plant, put water for the bird, feed the animals? Can you do something like that?
Yes, sir, I can do it.
Go and plant a tree. Yeah. Do something. Do as many good things for nature as you can. Then the divine help you in that way.
Sir, at present I have little imbalance in my left hand and left leg to walk along. But
yes.
next to I tried going to the physiotherapy session thrice a week actually. I walk because it is quite nearby to my house.
Yes, I understand. So all that I understand what you're doing. I understand. Okay, all that is helping your physical body. But there's another thing you got to help yourself. You've got to balance your karma. Do all that. Yes, do all that. But karma balance is very important for you.
Sir, I want the erection to be completely dissolved and melted. Sir, is that a remedy?
I understand, sir. This is karma, I'm telling you. So do good things, your body will heal by itself. Let the divine forgive you for whatever wrong you've done in your past life. Understand, sir?
Okay,
you understand?
Sir.
You understand what I'm saying? You understand? You understand, sir? Please understand. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It's karma. Okay?
Yes, sir. I have introduced the series last month only, sir. I have finished 6 modules completely. I have started doing my affirmation also. I have the affirmation and the calendar right now.
You got the healing wand, sir?
I'm looking more affirmations.
With the healing wand? You have the healing wand?
Healing wand is not available to me with me right now, sir.
Okay, once you visit 6 months, they give you, they'll teach you how to heal. But in the meantime, start doing good to balance your karma.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Do that, sir. Huh? Do that. And at the same time, heal yourself. Doing good is more important than all of the other things. Do good as much as you can. Ask forgiveness. Okay, sir? For whatever wrong you've done in the past life,
sir.
and start doing. Plant some tree, pour water for the plant, go out and do whatever you can for Mother Nature. Okay, sir? Then Mother Nature will start, something will start to happen good for you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, madam. Time's up. Thank you very much, guys. See you all tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Not tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, huh? Some other day. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, my friends, thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you all enjoyed the session today. You have people from many parts of India talking different languages at the same time. Like what you saw just now, the man was going to his karma. You know, so the karma, how you balance, do good things and ask forgiveness, whatever wrong you do. Go out and do good into nature and many as you can. Whatever you can do, you do. That's why all our blessings of Mother Nature, pouring water, feeding animals, giving plant, pouring water for the plant, everything. So you have compassion for life outside you. Something could be right in front of you and they are dying because there's no water. You pour water to them. It can be a neighbor's plant. It doesn't have to be your plant. It can be a neighbor's plant. Or a dog on the street, or a cat in the street, or a bird in the street. Whatever it is, do whatever you can. Put some water, let the birds come and drink the water and go. That's it. Especially when a time when there's so much of drought and there's no water available. But you must put it in such a way in a place where the cats will not come and catch the bird. The birds will be freely coming to get food and go. Give them. That's how you balance your karma, by doing good to all those people. Feed the goat, feed the cow, feed the dog, whatever you want to do. Show compassion and kindness. And then this will balance your karma in the best possible way. Okay? Right. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. So now, we're going to start the class and we're going to do the blessings of Mother Nature. Blessing Mother 27th of 9 and also blessing, no bell today. Sorry, I didn't change that. So blessings and removal of blocks and dark energy, 27th of 9 to 21.